Mathematics CAPS Grade 11 March 2025 test. Question 3.1. Given that 13 cos of beta is equal to 5 and alpha plus beta is equal to 90 degrees, by making use of a sketch and without the use of a calculator, calculate the value of tan of beta divided by cos of alpha, and then that's 5 marks. So the minute they are saying without the use of a calculator, it means we have to express our solutions as fractions. Now we are given 13 cos of beta is equal to 5. So it means we have to isolate cos of beta. We have 13 cos of beta is equal to 5. So to isolate cos of beta, we have to divide on either side of the equal sign with the coefficient of cos of beta, which is 13. So we divide with 13 there. And then 13 will cancel out with 13. We remain with cos of beta is equal to 5 divided by 13. Now we have to think about the definition of cos of an angle. So it's the adjacent side divided by the hypotenuse. So we represent the adjacent side with lowercase x and the hypotenuse with lowercase r. This means x is equal to 5 and r is equal to 13. So now we have to draw our sketch diagram. So the safe quadrant where we are going to draw our sketch diagram is the first quadrant, since we are not given the interval, and then again since cos of beta is positive 5 divided by 13. It means it's positive in that quadrant. So now we have our sketch diagram. So we have angle beta there, and then we have x as 5, and then we have the hypotenuse, which is opposite to the 90-degree angle, as 13, right? So the opposite side to angle beta is unknown. So we have to work out that side using x squared plus y squared is equal to r squared, which is the theorem of Pythagoras. And then we can substitute from there. We are going to say into 5 squared plus y squared is equal to into 13 squared. And then we have y squared as what? 169 minus 25. And then y squared is the same as 144. So y squared is equal to 144, but y is equal to the square root of 144, which is 12. It means the opposite side there is 12. Again, we have additional information. They are saying alpha plus beta is equal to 90 degrees, and then we know that the interior angles of a triangle add up to 180 degrees. We have 180 degrees. We have 90 degrees there. Sorry for that. We have 90 degrees there. And then now beta plus alpha, it means at the top there we have angle alpha plus beta, we get 90 plus 90 again, we get 180 degrees. So it means now we have the information that we need to find the value of tan of beta divided by cos of alpha. So now we are going to say tan of beta is the same as what? Tan of beta, tan of an angle, is the opposite side to the angle divided by the adjacent side to the angle. So the opposite side to the angle is 12, right? Divided by the adjacent side to angle beta is 5. And then what about cos of alpha? Alpha is the angle at the top there. Plus beta, it will give us 90, plus 90, it gives us 180 degrees, right? So it means cos of an angle is the adjacent side to the angle divided by the hypotenuse. The hypotenuse side is always opposite to the 90-degree angle. So it means the adjacent side to alpha is 12. Divided by the hypotenuse, we get 13. So this means the value here is going to be what? We're going to have 12 divided by 5 divided by 12 divided by 13. And then now it means we keep this one, right? as 12 divided by 5, sorry for that. And then we change the division sign to multiplication, and then we flip then the denominator, which is 13 divided by 12. It's 12 divided by 13. When we flip it, it becomes 13 divided by 12. And then the answer becomes what? 12 will cancel out with 12. We remain with 13 divided by 5. Or you can write it as 2. 3 divided by 5 is the same thing. It's the same as 13 divided by 5, because it's 5 times 2, which is 10, plus 3 is 13 divided by 5. And then we get 5 marks.